Hey there, my name's Tenzin, and I'm a co-founder at Tali AI. And I'm doing a quick run through and demo and really just showing you what Tali is all about. So if you're a member of the community, you can jump in and start using it. So Tali was born out of a frustration that me and my co-founder Ali had, and you can see that Tali is kind of joining the first letter of my name and his first name. Super creative, I know. But it was born out of frustration related to, when you're a developer trying to learn a new project, having to go in there and figure out this new code base. And that involves kind of sifting through documentation. If you can't find the answer there, then going into Discord and asking a question and just praying that somebody will answer it in a timely fashion, if at all. And so the problem is when you're like in the midst of a project, like you need an answer then and there. You don't want to wait. So that's what Tali aimed to solve is being able to help developers answer technical questions. So if they get stuck, Tali is there to support. So I will show you quickly what Tali is, where it lives. We're looking at the Ask Questions channel, and you can see here there's a kind of a pinned post, but it's really super easy to use Tali. I went into a thing here, and so they wrote the thread title. So if they put this in the in when prompting Tali, when tagging Tali, you'd be able to get an answer. So basically, you tag Tali at the beginning of the text, then write your question or whatever you're looking for there, and you can see here that Tali takes a stab at trying to answer, providing some boilerplate code, and the idea is to kind of help people speed up the process development and learn faster so they can solve their problems. So Tali is available within, I believe, all the technical channels here within Dev and available for use. So that's kind of the backstory of how to use it, how to get value out of it. It's trained on the documentation, so you can go in there and ask any question, and if it's in the documentation, it should be able to answer. So I'm just going to do a quick run through of the code. Kind of everything leads to information retrieve functions here, which is the main part of the stuff that is happening within there. And the most important things is I walk through it. Where are we at? There's a few functions up here. Okay, so cohere rerank. The list of messages goes through. It kind of hits a query function to hit the different data sets, pull out the relevant documents, and then goes through a process of re-ranking those documents. We're using Cohere here, and we also go through a language model evaluation. And the idea there is we're going to have a threshold where if it doesn't pass that, then the document isn't used as context. So we have a few checks along the way to make sure there's actually relevant information getting passed in. So the language model doesn't answer on something it shouldn't answer on. And in the event it can't answer, it will say, I don't know, because we found the cost of misinformation or the wrong information is way higher than Tali providing a right answer, because leads to frustration and people go down the wrong path. So yeah, it's I've shown the code here. It's not currently open sourced, but at some point in the future, we would like to open source it and provide back to the community. But if you have any questions or want to chat with a team, we are happy to do so and around on Discord. So thanks again. We are Tali AI.